Welcome to STV Live Cricket. Indian Super League point table update 20 December 2024. Indian Super League 2024-25 point table standing. Rank number 1 Mohun Bagan FC play 12 match, win 8 match, draw 2 match, lost 2 match, point 26. Rank number 2 Bengaluru FC play 12 match, win 7 match, draw 3 match, lost 2 match, point 24. Rank number 3 FC Goa play 12 match, win 6 match, draw 4 match, lost 2 match, point 22. Rank number 4 Odisha FC play 12 match, win 5 match, draw 4 match, lost 3 match, point 19. Rank number 5 Punjab FC play 11 match, win 6 match, draw 0 match, lost 5 match, point 18. Rank number 6 Jamshedpur FC play 10 match, win 6 match, draw 0 match, lost 4 match, point 18. Rank number 7 Mumbai City FC play 11 match, win 4 match, draw 5 match, lost 2 match, point 17. Rank number 8 North East United FC play 11 match, win 4 match, draw 3 match, lost 4 match, point 15. Rank number 9 Chennai FC play 12 match, win 4 match, draw 3 match, lost 5 match, point 15. Rank number 10 Kerala FC play 12 match, win 3 match, draw 2 match, lost 7 match, point 11. Rank number 11 East Bengal FC play 11 match, win 3 match, draw 1 match, lost 7 match, point 10. Rank number 12 Hyderabad FC play 11 match, win 2 match, draw 1 match, lost 8 match, point 7. Rank number 13 Mohammedan FC play 11 match, win 1 match, draw 2 match, lost 8 match, point 5.